Hello, Mr. Applegate. Just wanted to show you something. These are pieces of the stringer that we cut out. We started off, we just had a little bolt hole in the top of one of the stringers that was rotted around, and then we started cutting. And these are the pieces that we eliminated, the rot that we eliminated on your engine stringers. And as you can see, I mean, and of course this was bolted up against another piece of wood similar to this, right? So as you can see, what looked like a little bit of rot ended up being a lot of rot. And that's all gone. And we have a new piece of wood in its place. So, and we actually, I think we're gonna come in, hopefully, a little under or very close on the wiring, and so we just included this in the wiring line item. So it didn't take too terribly long to do, and we discovered it when we were starting the wiring. So anyhow, that's why we did it that way. All right, sir, just wanted to give you that update before I burn them in my fireplace.